All right, what's up, everybody? Hey, welcome to this mini course. This is gonna be a lot of fun, simply because by the end of this program, this little course, these 3 videos, you guys are gonna be able to walk away with something pretty cool. And quite frankly, most people spend a lot of time trying to figure out how to create quality lead magnets, and that's what the Easy Value Builder is all about. So let's actually start here. Why do we do lead magnets? When you're running Facebook ads, Google ads, any type of traffic, your main goal is to get people from the internet, that's cold traffic, people who don't know you, and get their contact information. So that is goal number 1 in marketing. But the big thing we want to do, we don't want to just get their email addresses and their contact information for no reason. We really want to take those people and we want to take them through a value first window, which is what we talk about here on this slide. So a value first window as opposed to an offer window. I'll frame it like this. What is better? Is it better to be positioned as a salesperson, or is it better to be positioned as an advisor? It's pretty obvious, right? It's way better to be an advisor. But most people, what they do is they end up going straight for the pitch. Why? Because in agency, your job is to, if you're going to actually have money, you want to make sales. And so your job is to pitch your product, have people buy it, and that's the transaction that makes you money. And it's just kind of ironic because that very transaction is the antithesis, the very reason why those prospects, those people don't want to buy from you. Okay, so when you go for a sales pitch or when you make the same offer as everybody else, it is really challenging to attract new customers. But when you rely on value first, and in this case, a lead magnet, which can be a digital download, it could be a mini course like this, it could be a lot of things, you'll get people coming through that value first window. Now, the point of this is to help you, 1, lead with value. And I know a lot of times that can feel abstract, right? You can maybe feel like, hey, I don't really know what that means. What does it mean to lead with value? So we're going to help you solve that. And then number 2 is to do it in a way to where you actually don't just give away all the stuff that makes you money, where you lead with value in a way that builds desire, interest, and trust. Those are really important to have if you're going to have a successful business, and then eventually nurture and close. So we're going to jump right into the Easy Value Builder. So the cool thing about this, here's what's really cool, is on this step of the program here, you will find a button that says Easy Value Builder. So you go ahead, you open that up, and the first step is to just take this here and copy that prompt, okay? And then we're gonna go to, so click the Open Easy Value Builder. We're going to click over to the Easy Value Builder. Now, we'll just paste this in, all right? So I need a lead magnet to generate high-quality leads for target audience or business type. Includes specific characteristics such as company size and decision-maker roles. So I'm going to go ahead and put in let's see here, chiropractic clinics who specialize, sorry about my spelling, in spinal decompression. Okay, and I'll put, because it asked for who I'm targeting there, owners. So we want the actual doctor himself. Okay, who specialize in spinal decompression. The lead magnet should solve, what do we want to solve? Well, here at UpHex, we're all about getting them more business. We want to run ads that will help them get more customers. So the lead magnet should solve how to get qualified new patients with, let's see here, with proven offers. Okay, there we go. Make sure to include a mic drop stat. The program Easy Value Builder is programmed to know what that is. That highlights why solving this problem is critical, and present the information in a persuasive and conversational tone that taps into human psychology, engaging my audience emotionally and logically. The goal to show is to show my expertise while providing actionable value that encourages potential clients to, and we're going to say, what do I want them to do? I want them to sign up for a free discovery session. That works. And I know those of you who are OCD are hating that I'm leaving that unspelled word. Okay, then all we do is we click boom. Okay, we click go. Now, Easy Value Builder is designed to go through and ask whatever questions it needs to in order to get a really good output. So it's right now it's asking us 3 questions. Number 1, target audience details. Are the chiropractic clinic owners primarily focused on patients with specific spine conditions, such as, yeah, they are. Understanding the primary condition they address will help us tailor insights and qualified offers. Yes, so we will say, they specialize in helping people with sciatica and nerve pain. All right, we'll just say that. And you obviously would be inputting this information for your own niche. Current market challenges. What are the most common struggles these clinics face? They complain of low quality leads who ghost their calls and don't show up for their appointments. Also, they complain about losing money on Facebook ads. The more detail you give, like specific behaviors or scenarios, the better off this is all going to perform. Desired tone. How would you prefer the content to adopt a more data-driven formal approach? Positioning. Let's see here. Empathetic tone. Highlight your. I'm going to say humanize. This is actually something I learned from Jonathan Mass. Humanize your tone of voice and make it conversation. All right, I'm going to hit go. All right, so right now it's going to give me titles for the lead magnet, and then it's going to recommend an outline. So lead magnet title options: turn no-shows into new patients, proven strategies to attract committed sciatica and nerve pain patients, why some ads waste money, how to fix it in your chiropractic clinic. And number 3 is get more patients, not just leads. Okay, I like that one. Get more patients, not just leads. And so we're going to roll with that one. A guide to high quality, show up ready. Oh, that's good. All right, so we're going to go with 3. All right, so here's what it's going to do. It's giving us an outline. Okay, great choice. We'll proceed with the title we chose, full lead magnet outline. Now, so you are going to look through this outline, okay? Knowing what you know about your niche, you're just going to read through and make sure that this all sounds good, okay? So everything here, I'm just going to say it looks good for the purpose of this. Now, if you go back to the presentation here, okay, that is step 1. So we're going to go ahead and that is step 1. This is the prompt. So if you're wanting to use lead magnets to go B2C, you do the exact same process we just did, but you're doing it from a different perspective. You would be creating those lead magnets to run leads on behalf of those customers so that they go through, and this is a ninja tactic, by the way. A lot of people run Facebook ads straight to offers, and if you do it right, qualified lead offers, then that works. But this is a great way to take them through a value window. But for this demo, we're going to stick with this. All right, so we reviewed the outline. Let's say we edit and refine it, and it's time for us to do the whole thing. So all we do is we go through and we put in, I guess I could type it, but hey, I'm lazy. We just go boom, create the full guide. All right, and it's going to go through and it's going to do it. Get more patients. So this is what it's doing. You guys, by the way, this GPT is programmed to follow a mapped out persuasion trail. So it's not just doing this for no reason. It knows the best practices. It knows exactly what to do to follow, man, decades of me and my team learning how to do all this stuff. All right, so turning leads into show up ready patients, follow through. It's just building this as we go. No input required from us. Now I'm gonna show you one ninja tactic here in just a second, as soon as it gets done, that will help you create a version of this that personally, depending on the niche, of course, will make this even better. So, all right, so we're good. We like everything here. I'm going to go ahead and go back to the slides here. Now, step 3, this is optional. But if you can add a central narrative to this information, it makes your content so much more relatable. So, oh, nope, that's not the comment. It is this. All right. So I'm going to prompt the GPT to do this. This looks great. Now let's add a central character and storyline that delivers our value in a story. Stories are really going to help bring this thing home. All right. So the GPT knows what to do, and it created a story about Dr. Sarah. Introducing Dr. Sarah's frustration with low-quality leads. Meet Dr. Sarah, a skilled chiropractor who's passionate. Okay, I mean, this is speaking, again, this is speaking to empathy. This is speaking to nuance. This is going to really make it so, hey, if we're running ads to get leads and opt-ins for this lead magnet, people are going to read through, and especially what you see in the next video, people will definitely read through, because we're going to put this thing on steroids. So, all right. It's doing awesome how Sarah turned leads into quality. And by the way, if you want a hack on this, I would say if you have already an established case study, you could dump that in using an attached file. Say, use this story as a central theme for this GPT. All right, so here's where we're at right now. Do a quick little recap. Step 3, we've added a storyline. I think that this GPT is going to be awesome. The next thing we got to do is actually go over and turn what we've created here into an incredibly valuable and valuable appearing digital download. We can do a lot of things with it, but I'm going to show you that here on the next step. So we're going to jump over. We're going to go to the Gamma AI tool to take this thing, which, by the way, we've been doing this now for 10 minutes. So this is awesome. In 10 minutes, you've already seen what you can create. Let's go over to Gamma now.